Welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making baked salmon and baked Brussels sprouts. So stick around. It's real simple and easy. I have of course washed my Brussels sprouts and I pulled the leaves off that weren't too good and I cut off the ends. Slice them in half so they're ready. So to those I'm just going to add some olive oil. I think I'm low on that one. I have a little more over here. Some olive oil. There we go. Pepper. And salt. Some garlic. Let me open it this time. Oh, excuse me. Oh, no. Oh, that doesn't. Okay. I'm just going to add some minced garlic. And we're going to toss those around. Hold on guys, I'm missing a major part. This is lemon zest that I have in the fridge. I usually zest them and put what I don't use in the fridge. Comes in handy. Want to make sure we get that garlic and the salt and pepper all over. Tastes like that, see? Okay, here, my salmon. Drain it, make sure it's... Okay, I'm going to add some oil. And I still have the skin on. The skin on is fine with me. Some adobo seasoning. Be careful, you know how fish absorbs. You got a little pepper to that also. And some parsley, some dried parsley. I think I wanted to add some thyme to those Brussels sprouts too. Got to pull those out. I'm adding a little bit of thyme. Here it is. I buy a lot of my seasonings and spices from the bulk store. Like I said, you get a little bit. You get a lot more for your money when you buy it that way. Just gonna toss that around again. I have boiled me two oh my goodness, I forgot. What did I boil? 2 sweet potatoes. I'm sorry. And you know, I had cut them up and boiled them because I'm gonna mash them. And add some butter and some salt and pepper, and that'll be it for that. I'm going to place these on my baking sheet. Get some of that garlic out. And you want to try to have most of them facing down so they can brown. The fireworks are tonight. I really wanted to go, but I didn't make it this time. It was one of the favorite things to do once a year. I always remember going because when I was young, my father made sure that we went. And he could find some of the strangest little places, but we would fit in. And we would have our lunch or what we were going to eat packed. Or whatever we stopped and bought, like White Castles. We loved them then. And we saw the show, the fireworks show. He made sure that we did that every year, so it's kind of in me. But I'll catch one of them, probably in Royal Oak or somewhere. Okay, that's done, and I'm going to place my salmon on the same dish. One may cook faster than the other, so you'll just have to watch them. And I have my oven on 375, and I'm going to mash my sweet potatoes after I put this in the oven. Okay, here are my sweet potatoes that I've already boiled. I cut them up and boiled them, and you can see that they're ready. Okay, I'm going to add some imperial margarine. Sometimes margarine just does it better than butter. Sorry to say. I love butter though. And I've decided to add some carnation milk because I had a little bit left over from another meal, another dish, so I'm just going to add. That's enough, a little bit. And I'm going to add some salt and some pepper. Pepper. And we're going to mash them. Let me rinse this off. It's in the drawer. Nope, no sugar. Vanilla, cinnamon, all of that. We're just gonna have the sweetness of the sweet potato. You taste it, see what's going on. Add a little more salt. Ooh. Pepper. And that's it right there. Sorry about all of the noise, but I'm cooking in here. Since I was going to have to make some tartar sauce, then I thought I might as well show you while our meal is finishing up. It's really easy. I'm using light mayo though. You can use regular if you like. Gonna add some onions that I chopped, some mustard, you can use some dry mustard if you like. Some relish. Stir that up. It's called by Chestnut or somebody. I don't know where I got that from. And a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. I'm going to stir that up. I'm going to taste it, see if I need anything. More time. It needs to marinate for a few minutes, but you know what? I'm going to add a little bit of... Ooh. I didn't need that much, but it ain't going to hurt. Excuse the noise. I have the door open and someone's being loud outside. That's it. And there you have it. You have salmon, baked Brussels sprouts, and you have sweet potatoes, mashed sweet potatoes. And that's a little tartar sauce on the side. But hey, thanks so much for stopping by. And thanks so very much for staying. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him. Pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. And also, like, subscribe, share, and comment. I would love to hear from you. Well, guys, that's it, and that's all. Later.